How to fix bullet point indents and spacing in PowerPoint and Word. So if your bullet points in PowerPoint or Word look messy, with weird gaps between the bullets and text or uneven line spacing, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix them step by step. We'll adjust ruler markers, fix paragraph spacing, and copy clean list styles across both programs. So first let's turn on the ruler so you can actually visually control the exact gap between your bullet symbol and your text. So just open your presentation or document, go up to the View tab, there you go, right here, in the top ribbon, and tick the box for ruler right over here. Highlight your bulleted list and look at the horizontal ruler across the top. So as you can see, you'll see two small slider markers. The top indent marker controls the bullet position, while the bottom triangle controls the text indent. Simply just drag that bottom triangle left or right to shrink or widen the gap instantly. So for example, in Word, you can use these. Okay, just click on it, and you can, as you can see, just change the positions on both sides. And also the vertical one can be used right here, like this, to adjust also. Next, let's clean up uneven vertical gaps so your bullets aren't crammed together or spread too far apart. So just highlight your bulleted text, go to Home tab, and click the small paragraph launch icon. Home, right over here. And in the dialog box, locate the spacing section. And set spacing before and after to 0 points to remove huge gaps. So right here, just 0. Or you can also set after to about 6 for clean spacing between points, and set line spacing to single or 1.15. Right here, 1.15 like this, and press OK. And now your bullet points in PowerPoint and Word will align cleanly and consistently every single time. Enjoy!